In this video, I will show you how to fix the no SIM card emergency calls only problem on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on airplane mode and enable airplane mode on your Samsung phone. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and turn it off. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your Samsung phone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in your SIM card tray hole. Now just extract your SIM card tray from your smartphone. Now just remove your SIM card, then insert it back in. And also check if your SIM card is scratched or damaged. Now if it is damaged, just replace it. Now after you do that, now just enter your SIM card tray back into your smartphone. If this also did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Then tap on Reset. And after you do that, you will reset all the network settings on your Samsung phone, and it will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will only reset all the mobile network settings on your Samsung phone. And after you do that, then go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just tap on SIM Toolkit. Then tap on Storage. From here, just tap on Clear Data and select Delete. Now just go back. And if you have two options for SIM Toolkit, just select the other one too. And go to Storage and select Clear Data, then tap on Delete. And after you've done that, then go to your home screen and reboot your Samsung phone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon in your control center and select Restart. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just go to Settings, then tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install, and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. And if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix no SIM card emergency calls only problem on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.